Hey guys, I'm Jessica from Alabama. I'm one of your EXP leads. A little about me, of course. I'm from Alabama. Everyone loves my personality. Um, it gets me through each and every event, and this smile. This is what I do 24/7. It don't even leave. So that's the most part of knowing about me, because I'm always smiling. I love what I do. Um, I've had regular jobs. Regular jobs went from a manufacturing plant to being a lead supervisor, team lead, however you want to call it, in quality control at a manufacturing plant. And also, I've been at a juvenile detention center as a residential specialist, in which I hold some degrees that I went to school for. That's in criminal justice. But that don't stop me. I like to be a jack of all trades. I literally love to work. I literally love people. I love to talk to them. I love to make sure they're smiling. I love to make sure that they're happy. If I just honestly see somebody down, I'm gonna cheer you up, okay? I'm gonna make you smile. I'm gonna make you laugh. That's pretty much everything about me. It's just that good Southern hospitality. I, I can't just, let it slip from me. But pretty much I've been in the industry as an experiential marketing professional, I'll say 5 years. I wouldn't even say over that, because I actually went full-time in 2018, which the month was February, and that's when I took the job position with GMR Marketing on a tobacco program. And I was like, I told my detention center job, listen, I got another job, and I like doing industry work, and I just feel like I'm gonna have to make some decisions. So I ended up going part-time with that job, and then full-time until I was able to take control to go completely full-time and cancel out my part-time job. So we're here today, and I'm excited to even call myself an experiential marketing professional, to even have the time to meet great friends in the industry. You don't even have to be friends. We literally network on professional level, and when we talk is sometimes just on professional level. And at the same time, some people I would never thought that I would meet, that's connected to so many different brands, so many celebrities that I wouldn't even put past myself in meeting or assisting or hosting. That industry life is really cool. All right, so the tools or resources that I use, from Jae Davis. Like do 2 and 2. So this is, even though my book is a little messy, this is exactly what helped me, helped me out. Besides Jay always reaching out to me was dope. I'm gonna just be real. It was really dope. Coming from her, and just having somebody to just reach out to you and tell you so many different things that you didn't know about the industry, was really awesome. And for somebody to help you get through your goals that you're trying to accomplish, was definitely her. This book, You Do What, it was pretty much the tools that I pretty much use. Besides, you always got to research everything. and just being able to reach out to her and ask her questions, especially, resume. Listen, if I didn't have her templates and her assisting me, listen, my resume would have still been 20 pages long. And I do appreciate everything that she did for me. Even writing this book. This is number one tool right here. You do well. Let's see what the next question is. How has the EXP Elite community benefited you? Oh my gosh, so it has benefited me so much. New job opportunities, new connections. Wow. I mean, different topics that I probably never heard of or I'm trying to learn. I'm an easy learner. I take in very quickly and I got it like that. So with that being said, I have benefited so much from the group. So much. I really appreciate the group, no doubt. That was the best thing that she pretty much did for us. I'm glad to be a founding member at the end of the day and being able to share everything that she have discussed and trying to help the experiential marketing professionals that's in our group. Tips is always big. I love to learn versus, I already know how to do that. If I don't know how to do it and I have my resources on the EXP Elite group, all I got to do is just click on Facebook and check it out, see if I need to, search anything, or I go to this book. I use a lot of resources and tools around me. It's always in front of your face. All right, so what have you learned from the pop-up discussions? Even though your girl was on a pop-up interview, was awesome. I was nervous at first, but at the end of the day, it was awesome. The pop-up discussions are awesome. Incast marketing, literally, I just caught it this week, and so much information to take in. It makes you think about a lot. It makes you think about a lot on what the agencies are doing and how the agencies feel about their workers, their brand ambassadors that they hire. Is so helpful, because at the end of the day, now you know what the agencies expect, their expectations. You literally know what they want. You literally take note of what they accept and what they don't accept. They're paying attention, so they know who to hire and who not to hire. So that's why I always keep it professional. Even on my social media, I keep it professional, because just taking in when there is something that is mentioned about checking your social media and making sure that it's appropriate is sometime a determination if the client wants you, to work for them, or if the agency wants it. It's vice versa. But at the end of the day, I take note on how they look at resumes. Is well said. Everything is well put together in the group. I appreciate it so much. I take in so much information from that group that I appreciate it. I tried.